In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Podia. By the end, you'll have a clear path from your dashboard to a published course your students can start learning from right away. Start by heading to the Podia dashboard and signing in. This is your control center, where you'll find everything related to your products, customers, and sales. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and click on Products. This is where all your digital offerings live, and it's the place to create something new. Next, select New Product. You'll be prompted to give your product a name. Choose a clear, student-friendly title that communicates the outcome, like Beginner Photography Bootcamp, rather than something vague. Don't worry, this can be changed later, so a solid working title is perfectly fine. Now choose Course as your product type. This tells Podia you're building a learning experience with sections and lessons, not a standalone download or coaching offering. Then click Create Product to open the course builder. Inside the builder, start by structuring your course. Create sections, which function like modules or chapters. Give each section a descriptive title and a short explanation so learners know what to expect. You can make sections available immediately or schedule them to drip out over time. Drip schedules are helpful for pacing, reducing overwhelm, and keeping students engaged week by week. Within each section, add lessons. Click to create a new lesson and choose the content format that fits best. Use the text editor for written lessons with headings and formatting. Upload videos directly or embed them from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo if you already host content there. Add audio files for lectures or guided practices and optionally allow downloads for offline listening. Create quizzes to check understanding and reinforce key points. Upload files such as worksheets or PDFs for reference, and embed content from other sites when you want to bring external tools or interactive elements into the lesson. Aim to keep each lesson focused on a single idea and mix formats like video plus a short summary text to suit different learning styles. When your lessons are in place, fine-tune the experience. Organize content in a logical flow, keeping one main topic per lesson for clarity. Adjust lesson visibility and choose which pieces are available as previews to entice prospective students. Review your course from start to finish to ensure titles, descriptions, and media all align. When you're satisfied, publish the course. You can always return to make updates, add new lessons, or tweak settings as your course evolves.